Hey guys, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I will be sharing with you guys world best remedy for hair growth using natural ingredients you can find in your kitchen. Please watch to the end. So guys, to prepare this recipe, we need tomato. Tomato contains important vitamins like vitamin A, B, C and E, which are excellent stimulants for healthy hair. These vitamins help prevent hair loss, give natural shine and help treat scalp odor and dandruff. Tomato also prevent premature gray hair. So guys, the next thing we need is ginger. Ginger cures irritation, prevent premature graying, prevent dandruff. Ginger also promote hair growth. Ginger trained to boost circulation in your scalps and prevents hair loss. The next thing we need is onion. Onion juice can provide extra soft to support strong and thick hair. Head Glay hair reversal. Onion juice protects hair growth. Onion juice prevents hair loss. It also prevents itchy scalp. So guys, this is how to prepare this recipe. The first thing is either you glitter your tomatoes or you blend it. So I'm going to glitter this one. You glitter your tomatoes. So after glittering the tomatoes, the next thing you do is you sieve out the juice because what we need is the tomato juice. So the next thing you need to do is you also glitter the onion and sieve out the juice. When you finish it, you would glitter the ginger and sieve out the juice. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed. So now we got tomato juice, ginger juice and onion juice. You mix them together, then you put it in a very tight container. So this is how you are going to apply it. You use it to massage your hair very well. After 30 minutes, you wash it off. Thanks for watching. Bye.